Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have ROBOROCK QRevo Curv vacuum cleaner and I'm going to show you how to manage vac and mop. At first we have to click this full over here in our ROBOROCK QRevo Curv and click vac and mop. Here as you can see we can manage vac and mop, and here as you can see we have suction power, water flow, cleaning count and root. We can manage suction power from max to turbo, balance to quiet, water from low to custom or gentle, and as you can see we can manage our custom. Here we have high, medium or low. Here we have cleaning count 1 times or 2 times, root standard or our custom one which is fast, and that's it. Hope it helps you. Goodbye.